Hello guys, and today we're learning how to make a Scratch ghost shooter. And what that is a game on Scratch. Now I will be using terms in Scratch that you will not be able to understand if you are a beginner. And I will be explaining it, and it may be complex. So I recommend you all watch some beginner videos. However, maybe sometime later, I don't know, probably not. However, I might think about doing a Scratch beginner video. Okay, now we have our cat here. The first thing we want to do is delete it. We want to make our new Scratch, and our new Scratch, our new sprite, and our new sprite will obviously be a ghost. I'd use this ghost, and that ghost looks a bit too big, so I'll shrink him. And yes, so now what I want to do is I want to set my stage or backdrop. So I'm just gonna upload. I'm just gonna get a backdrop, and preferably I like the brick wall one, since it's, I don't know, I kind of like it. Now that is our ghost. Now next thing we want to do is we want to draw. Now what we want to do, guys. Next thing we actually want to do, if that stays here. Next thing we actually want to do is we want to create our sort of like our target thing. So you know, like our sights. So what you want to do is you want to zoom in. You want to zoom in and on this, and you want to see this little cross. Now this cross, you need to try and sort of go along the lines. So see where these, these 2 points meet is where, when you're moving, that your mouse cursor will be touching. So our mouse cursor will be touching the middle. So we need to draw lines. So basically you just need to draw a cross here. If I can just do this properly. I recommend you use, you know, your line thing. And then just make a cross, and then what you can actually do when you zoom out, you can expand the cross. And then expand this, or just and now you can do that, and you can have a little play around with that, but I know that I can make it easier. Here's a quicker way to do it. If you just draw your cross at the size you would like. Now if you hold control while doing this, it will draw a straight line. It's obviously not control, it's another button. I think it's shift. No. If you hold shift, yes, it will draw a straight line. And the same here, if you draw shift. Oh. So, now with a circle, I like to make my circles red. You can make a perfect circle by holding shift again. If I just middle mouse is here, and then what you can do is, that's just a bit inaccurate, so I can just yeah, so So you can have a fiddle back with that, but I'm just gonna do it ever so quick. I'm so sorry guys, I'm taking ages for this. I normally do it ever so quick. And okay, I think I'm done. Yeah, I just made my score, so I can just accurately just plug you here. Yeah, we're about right there, guys. So look what we have here. We have a target. Now we can. Let's just enlarge our target a bit more. Now we want our target to have motion. So you want to go to have a green flag, and you want a forever loop, so that it will always go to mouse pointer. So when you click it, it will move like that. And you see what I mean? Because now that is in the middle. So if I click here, boom, 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 boom. Now we want an if, want another green flag, and we want another forever loop and an if. So forever set. If now we want or and, so that both things have to be true to make this work. So the two things that we want to be true is that the mouse is down and that it is touching the ghost. Then if that, then we want to broadcast a message. Broadcast a message. We'll show you how we'll do broadcast a message, and we're just going to call this message. We're just going to call this message. In fact, sorry. We're going to make a variable. I'm going to call it score, and then we will change the score by 1. So take away the broadcast message, and we still change the score by 1. So now the score is changed by 1. Change score by 1. And what we want to do, we can't have, it's not rapid fire, so we can't make more than one score. So we can go to control and wait 1 second. Wait 1 second before detecting if the mouse is down. Now, for the ghost. Now the ghost, when the green flag is clicked, forever, and you want to go to and pick random, and pick random again. So X is here to here. So X goes from minus 240 to 240. So it goes from minus 240 to 240. Now Y goes from 180 to minus 180. So, let me just do that again. 40 to 240. And that goes from minus 180. Doesn't really matter what order you put it in. To 180. And then you just want to stick them two in the go-to box. And then what you want to do, give the player or whoever's playing it an amount of time that they have to click that. Scroll. To click. Now, after it goes to 1 second, you want to give your opponent an amount of time. Now, I'm going to give my opponent 1 second before he comes, and then it will hide itself while it repeats the action. But since it's still hidden, we'll need a show button at the top. So now, we'll give your reader, your player, some time. The only reason that's done that is because this needs to go in here and that can go there. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, so we're nearly done with our ghost shooter, guys. Done well. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to add a sound. Now, you can get sounds from here, and we can get gunshots. Now, there is no gunshots as far as I know, but there is a laser, I believe. So, laser. So, you can pre-play them, but I'm just going to choose my laser, because I like this laser. And you want to go to sound, and play sound, laser 2. And now, if we... Also, what we can do is we need to, when the game starts, we can set score to 0. Now, I think that is it. In fact, no, I remember. It's play sound laser first, and then change score by 1. So let's reset. Now, if you think that your player has reached a certain score, you go like a certain score to win, and the when green flag clicks, forever loop if operator, and then a bigger than, so if score is bigger than 20, it's bigger than 10, let's just say for purposes, bigger than 10, then it says congrats, you've won. And if you want to give them less time until your ghost disappears again, then just change your time. Easy. Okay, maybe a bit more, maybe. Oh no, maybe not. I don't know. No, some people can be pretty good at games like this. Or you could just be like... Now, really, you could honestly make any variation of this, so it could be, you know, like a, I don't know, a hide and seek game. You've got a clicker, and one more. Congrats, you've won. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later.